Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am not wearing any makeup, as you can tell, because my video today is going to be all about my daughter, and she wanted me to do her makeup, so that's what we're going to do today. She's only 10. I don't know if the last video was some kind of confusion. She's only 10 years old, but she loves makeup just like me. And on Christmas I got her this beautiful let's see. I got her this. It's full of makeup. And I also got her a bunch of brushes. If you can see them, she has them in this little cute, like, I gotta get her like a container, but she has them in this. So she has her little collection going on. And today I'm gonna try to do her makeup with her, like do all of her makeup using her stuff. So I need you to move a little more this way. Let's see. Yeah, a little bit more. Guys, we're trying to both fit in the camera's view. If we get out of the view, well, we're sorry. But we're going to try our best. I think the most important thing is that you can see her more than you can see me, because it's all about her in this video. So she has her own foundation. John Elise has tried different foundations. Actually, the ones that have not worked for me, I've given to her, and they work for her. And out of all of them is the Milani one, right? The Milani one is the one that she enjoys the most. But I got her a couple days ago I got her the e.l.f. Foundation.
Sand.
In the shade Sand, and she's already moisturized, so we're gonna go and use her. She likes full coverage. Those are her words, not mine. Like, she's all into the full coverage stuff. So in that part, as of right now, I don't use any like full coverage stuff, so she's different than me in that area. But we're just going to go in, and I'm going to put, not full coverage though. Guys, you don't want to use a sponge unless the full coverage foundation tends to be a little cakey. You kind of want to use the sponge when it's a kind of a mattifying foundation, but if not, you can use a brush. So since she wants more coverage, I think, John Elise, we're going to use one of your brushes. And this is one of them, and I think it's gonna work just fine.
I use this one for
yeah, I'm gonna use this one though, because I think this one's gonna see. So you get a little bit more coverage with a brush. This foundation I did a review on, or yeah, a first impressions, and I did not like it because it was more, for me, too oily. But for her, look over towards my side. For her, it's good. She just uses makeup. John Elise uses makeup for play. It's more for play. It's more because she likes practicing on herself. Close your eyes. And that's the reason she wears makeup. So it's usually she's wearing it, close your eyes, around the house. So this foundation for her is good. She seems to have more dry skin. So it's more moisturizing for her skin, and it has SPF. For me though, no. For me, it doesn't work. Look at me this way. I'm not really a fan of this.
I never put foundation in my lids because it'll make it the eyeshadow creamy and
oily, but we're gonna set that, so we'll be okay. Close your eyes, and we're just gonna mattify everything.
I'm gonna use cream bronzer.
Let me see if I can. We're still here. So we're gonna actually, look at me. We're gonna actually set everything. Okay, you look straight. To get rid of the oil from the foundation.
Are you going to use a cream contour?
No, I don't think I am. And we're going to use her brush. Okay, I need you to look up. Way. And we're going to gently look up. So you can get brushes, guys, on Amazon and not spend a lot. And we're going to set everything. All right, so we got the face down. For the eyes, let me see, I'm going to grab.
I want you to do eyeliner on me.
So I'm going to use this. No, I'm not going to use the, I'm not going to do that. The kidney brow.
Oh, they look weird up.
Alright, so we're gonna go in. This came with her little makeup box. There's two of them. There's this one and there is,
That one.
we got this one. We also have this. So we are going to, I don't want to use this one though. We're going to go into this one. And I think I'm going to use this color up at the corner. Close your eyes. Close them completely. Close your eyes. Jonanis is really good with applying eyeshadow. She's only 10 years old, but she's really good. Close your eyes. The best thing is to get eyeshadow palettes that have a color like this. Like, not the color, but just the texture. Because usually you can just apply them with your finger open. And they look really pretty. And you don't need any brushes for that. So, now we're going to go in to a shade in here that you showed me. It's this one. And we're going to go into one of her, this one right here. And then we're going to take, I'm going to go back into this one. It's really strong. I'm going to go into one of her highlights. She's a cream highlight and she kind of used it all up, but we're going to use that one. We're going to take a small brush that she has. Go into that. Look straight. And we're going to apply it. Look at me. Okay, look straight. Straight. And now the fun part. We're going to add some mascara. Look at me. Just look at me straight this way. Yeah, this one's really nice on you. Look straight.
PF contouring blush.
Look over this way. Look at me. Look at me. More this way. Look towards me. It's dark like mine. Nice and black like your Mama Duke's.
I have two right here.
Oh. Wouldn't have noticed that if I wasn't doing your makeup. Could you believe that? You haven't told me anything. And they're dark like mine.
I haven't used it.
I like this one. Look at me.
Well, I have been having that brush for a long time. Nice and neutral.
So we're gonna add some.
You forgot highlighter.
Oh, Jonalise is into the highlight. So let's bring
That's
that
a pink
out.
one. There's a pink one and
We're gonna use this one. This looks more like a. Let's add some of this. All right. So,
oh,
I hope that you liked the look that I did.
I want to end the video.
Go ahead and end it.
So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe down below. Please like this video and see you guys next time. Bye.